In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit submitted responses in Google Forms. This process will help you make necessary changes to responses without having to ask respondents to resubmit their answers, making it a convenient tool for both organizers and participants. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to Google Forms. Once you've logged into your Google account, go to the Google Forms homepage. From here, you can either create a new form or open an existing one where responses have already been submitted. If you're opening an existing form, you'll find it under your list of saved forms. Simply click on the form you wish to edit. Next, you'll need to access the responses by clicking on the Responses tab at the top of the page. This tab displays a summary of all the responses your form has received. It's important to keep this page open, as you'll be returning to it after making your edits. You'll notice the section provides various options to analyze the collected data, such as viewing the responses in a summary format or an individual format. To continue, open the responses in Google Sheets. You can do this by clicking the Google Sheets icon within the Responses tab. This icon is located on the right-hand side of the page, and it creates a spreadsheet where all your responses are recorded. If you're looking for more advanced analysis features or a better view of all individual responses, spreadsheets are especially useful. Once you have your Google Sheets document open, locate the row containing the response you'd like to edit. Naturally, each row corresponds to a separate respondent. To make changes to a specific response, simply click on the cell you want to edit and enter the corrected information. It's crucial, however, to ensure that these changes reflect the true intentions of the respondent, preserving the integrity of your data. Always double-check any amendments you make. After you've made the necessary changes in the spreadsheet, Google Forms should automatically update the responses you've edited. This seamless integration is one of the benefits of storing form data in Google Sheets. You don't need to worry about saving your changes manually, as Google's autosave feature ensures that updates are stored instantly. Finally, revisit the Responses tab in your Google form to verify that all intended edits are correctly reflected in the aggregated data. You may need to refresh the page to view the most up-to-date information. And that's it. You've successfully edited a response in Google Forms, a handy skill for any project manager or survey coordinator. I hope you found this guide useful. Editing responses can significantly streamline the feedback collection process, providing flexibility and adaptability to your data management approach. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.